Hi there, my name is Yevhen. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I suggest you right now subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce a General Electric microwave. Reason for contacting the service. The GE microwave oven, which installed above the stove, has a faulty door lock mechanism. This is what the microwave oven door looks like now. This is the spring that fell out of the door, and here are the door hooks that should be tensioned by this spring. I remove and disassemble the microwave door. I take out the double door hook and notice that it is damaged. My tech support notified me that this microwave door latch replacement part is not available and will be required a special order with an unclear deadline. I decide to improve the flimsy design of the door look and fix the closing mechanism of the microwave oven. I'm starting to fix the microwave closing mechanism step by step. Step 1. I selected a location on the latch body and drilled a hole to install the spring. Step 2. I fixed one end of the spring in the hole I made. Step 3. The other end of the spring was fixed in the place provided by the manufacturer. Done. I check the functionality of my design of the disassemble microwave door. Success. I assemble an improved door and install it on the microwave. It's time to test the assembled GE microwave. To check, I put a glass of cold water and start the fast heating mode. Success again. The microwave started and the water heated up. This completes the microwave repair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to learn more about the process of repairing and servicing appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Appliance Service Guys Inc., your trusted partner in appliance repair. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.